Hello there, welcome to Oils with Lynn. When people ask me what I use on my skin as I age, this is the oil I almost always mention. It's Yarrow POM. If you've heard people rave about this oil and thought, okay, what's the big deal? Well, I'm here today to tell you. First, a little background. Yarrow POM is steam distilled and sourced in Bulgaria, and it's a beautiful blend of yarrow essential oil and cold pressed pomegranate seed oil. That combination is what makes it so powerful, especially for skin and circulation. So let's start with skin, because that's how most people fall in love with Yarrow POM, and that definitely includes me. I personally use this oil around my eyes and directly on my skin without any dilution. I also add it to my moisturizer and apply it all over my face, and it feels smooth, deeply nourishing, and my skin absolutely drinks it in. One of the reasons it works so well is because it has anti-inflammatory properties, which is huge if you're dealing with redness, puffiness, or skin that just feels irritated or tired. It's also packed with antioxidant protection. You can literally see the rich antioxidants in this oil because of its blue coloring. The pomegranate seed oil is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenols, which help protect your skin from environmental stressors, things like pollution, UV exposure, and everyday wear and tear. These antioxidants help fight free radical damage, which means support against fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots as we age. Another big reason I love this oil is for skin regeneration. Yarrow supports the formation of new cells, while pomegranate seed oil helps stimulate collagen production. Together, they support firmer, more elastic skin and help improve the appearance of scars, blemishes, and even texture. Over time, skin just looks more smooth and more vibrant. And if your skin tends to feel dry or dull, this oil is incredibly moisturizing and hydrating. Pomegranate seed oil contains omega-5 fatty acids that help lock in moisture, leaving your skin soft, supple, and well-nourished without feeling greasy. Yarrow POM is also very balancing. Yarrow essential oil helps regulate sebum production, so whether your skin is oily, dry, or somewhere in between, it helps bring things back into balance. It even has mild astringent properties that can help tighten pores and clarify the skin, which is definitely a win-win. Now, while I love this oil for skin, it's also amazing for circulation and metabolic support. Yarrow POM is often used to support concerns like varicose veins and hemorrhoids, and it can also help support blood sugar balance and metabolism. You can use it topically, or it can be taken internally in a veggie capsule, which is a great option if you're focusing on internal support for metabolism or skin. Yarrow POM can support the body from the inside out. Skin health, collagen production, circulation, and metabolic balance. It's one of those multitasking oils that has earned a permanent spot in my routine. If you're curious about supporting your metabolism even more, I have something fun for you. I've put together a free guide. It's called 5 Metabolic Hacks for Energy, Mental Clarity, and more. So don't forget to grab yours. You'll find the link in the description below, so be sure to check that one out. Thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you've enjoyed learning about Yarrow POM, take a second and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one.